How to fix Google Chrome redirects. And this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome redirects. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is, of course, pull up your Google Chrome web browser. Next is to click on this three dots at the upper right, and then choose on Settings. Now, once you're on Settings, at your left side, you should be able to see Privacy and Security. Just simply click that, and then choose on Site Settings. Scroll down from here, then under Additional Permissions, choose on Pop-ups and Redirects. Now, once you get here, you're just going to need to make sure that you're currently set into don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. So that's the first method of fixing that. Your last resort is to reset your browser into default. You simply choose on Reset Settings option at your left side, and then re-click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. And that's it. That's how you fix Google Chrome redirects.